Hello, fabulous world. Welcome back to Mrs. Leefatt Teach. Today we are subtracting across zeros. I already have a number written down here, a problem I should say, written down here. 5,000 take away 2,172. Now let's look at our number very carefully. We see in 5,000 there are 3 zeros. All right, we are starting to subtract from the right side. So we're starting with 0, take away 2. But guess what? Can you take 2 from nothing? You cannot do that. So we have to go to the tens place. Oh no, look at the tens place. There's nothing there. We can't even borrow anything, right? We can't regroup. Well, let's go next door to the hundreds place. Oh, but in the hundreds place, there's nothing there either, right? So we have to go to the thousands place. Oh my goodness, there is a 5 there. So you can borrow from that 5. So in the hundreds place, they're going to borrow 10 from there. So that goes down to 4. And you have a 10 now, right? Okay, but we are borrowing from that 10. We are going to borrow 10 from here. That becomes 9. And now we have 10. But this 0 is borrowing from over here, from this 10. And that becomes 9. And now this is 10. Can we subtract now? Yep, we sure can. Now we do the regular subtraction. So 10 take away 2 is what? That's right, it's 8. 9 take away 7 is 2. 9 take away 1 is 8. And 4 take away 2, what do you say? That's right, it's 2. So 5,000 take away 2,172 equals 2,828. I'm going to circle that answer. But let's do a check. Let's do a check over here. Did we get this answer correctly? Well, let's check. So in order to check, you have to add these two numbers together, and when you add it together, it should equal 5,000. If it doesn't equal 5,000, then we did something wrong along the way. All right? So let's write down 2,172 plus 2,828. All right, let's do an addition. So we're going to start on the right side. 8 plus 2 equals, that's right, 10. Write down our 0, and we're going to carry our 1 over to the tens place. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 2 equals, you got it again, 10. I'm writing down the 0, and I'm going to carry my 1 on in the hundreds place. Right? So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 8 equals, that's right, you're right again, 10. Write down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Did we get that answer right? Does these two numbers equal 5,000? You are absolutely right. 5,000 here, 5,000 here. That is our check. So you got it. You subtracted across zeros. Shall we do one more? Let's just do one more. All right. Let's do 8,000 take away 5,485. All right. All right, so let's start from the right side. Can 0 take away 5? Can you take 5 from nothing? No, right? So we're going to borrow. But guess what? There's nothing to borrow. So we're going to go borrow again, right? Go over here. But guess what? There's nothing there. All right? Nothing in the hundreds place. So we have to go over to the thousands place. In the thousands place, what number is there? 8. So we're going to borrow 10 from there. So we are going to cross out the 8. Okay, 8,000. Okay, we need something from you. All right. So this is 10 now. But guess what? This 0 needs to borrow from this 10. So the 10 is a 9. And now, in the 10th place, we have a 10. But guess what? This 0 needs to borrow from here. That's crossed out. We're going to borrow 10 from you. That becomes a 9. And now we have 10. So now we can subtract. 10 take away 5 equals 5. 9 take away 8 equals 1. 9 take away 4 equals what? Oh my goodness, you said it. 5. And 7 take away 5 equals, yep, you're right, 2. So the answer is 2,515. Shall we check? I think so too. Let's check. So we're going to add 5,485 plus 2,515. And if that equals to 8,000, then you know we got the answer correct. If it doesn't, what should we do? Yes, we should go back and try again. All right, we don't give up here. Here we go. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Write down the 0. Carry the 1 in the tens place. 8 plus 1 equals 9, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. Write your 0 down. Carry the 1 over here, and on the hundreds place. 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is what? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Write down my 0 and carry my 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6, and 6 plus 2 equals what? 8. Oh my goodness, you have been studying your mathematical skills. And there we have 8,000. So we are absolutely correct. 8,000 here, 8,000 here. And that's how we subtract across zeros. Thank you so much for visiting. Remember, when you subtract across the 0, you keep going all the way across until you can borrow from a digit. All right? And you do your regular subtraction after you completed all your borrowing and crossing out. Have a good day. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.